So, Sanjeev speaking, right? So your topic will be when Lady Gaga met Elton John. So Sanjeev will tell us what happened when Lady Gaga met Elton John, starting now.
The importance of bisexuality.
Yeah, Kripa.
First word. And then first word.
Uh, no, I think we let it go. But no negatives, but please listen carefully. Yeah. Number 6, you can continue telling us your story starting now.
Norse mythology does not allow
5.
Excessive stressing on the first word, Norse mythology. First word, speech defect.
No, I cannot give you that. It wasn't excessive. There was just a little bit of the stress. Not undue. Yes, so you can continue on the topic starting now.
Elton John converted into a famous
5 again.
You cannot convert into, you convert to. Grammatically. You cannot convert into a this.
Yeah, he's right, he's right.
Yeah.
Super. Wow, Varun! Dixon grammar.
It seems to be a one-off phenomenon. That's why they're all clapping. So you can begin telling us what Lady Gaga did starting now.
Lady Gaga went to a beauty parlor.
2.
He joined Gaga and went. It was speech tea there, isn't it together? He said it together.
No, actually the speech wasn't on Lady Gaga went. It was further on in the sentence. So your placement was wrong. So that's not valid. So you get the start again starting now.
Lady Gaga went to a men's parlor.
6. I know the idea is not a pleasant one, but what could you possibly find to object about?
There was a pause after Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga.
No, she walked into that men's parlor with all panache and elegance. There wasn't any pause at all. So please continue starting now.
The barber there was Elton John.
4.
Let's start.
Yeah, I'll give you that. Getting tardy there. So let's talk about the barber, if you will, or whatever else you want to, starting now.
Lady Gaga was wearing it.
3.
Speech defect.
I don't think he did. There was a speech D. I'm giving you the objection, but it wasn't that horrible. It actually made no noises. We haven't gotten to that stage, so maybe you can take us to the next step where you can start making noises. Starting now.
Lady Gaga asked John.
2.
Speech tea on Lady Gaga this time.
Yeah, there was a speech D on Gaga this time, so you get your objection. And please continue telling us the story. Starting now.
Lady Gaga and
6.
Format starting with Lady Gaga.
the topic.
It's the topic, but starting a statement with Lady Gaga is not essential all the time. We can.
How would you have us start it? Would you like to defend it?
It's there. The topic is the first time I'm talking.
No, a standard format is not when you speak about it for the first time. That's not a good defense, but I'm not going to allow this either because it's part of the topic. So I'm not, as of now, averse to hearing about Lady Gaga because I haven't heard anything much about it. So speaker number 2, your time starts now.
In India,
1. No, not really. It wasn't a late start. So please continue speaker number 2, starting now.
in India, Elton John.
5.
In India was together. In India. It was not two words. It was one word. In India. It should be in India.
So that if you objected to time wasting tactics,
No,
I'm not giving you that. If it's in India, we say it's in India. You
there was
know?
no pause between in and India.
Yeah, that's a good thing. So please proceed on the topic starting now.
Elton John was fond.
Yep, 1.
He said Elton John was fond of
You can't plagiarize the objections, fortunately. But yeah, I'll give you that. There was a bit of a speech D on the Elton. I don't know what speech defect it was. It didn't sound quite normal, but of course, he may not be normal. But never mind. Your time starts now.
A spontaneous.
4.
It was hesitation before starting.
No.
Let's
It was quite spontaneous. There wasn't any hesitation. So please don't hesitate and continue talking to us starting now.
Two charismatic people.
Yes, 2.
There was something wrong there.
No 2. There was nothing wrong with the 2. So please continue starting now.
Two charismatic people.
6.
There was overemphasis on two.
I know there are 6 of you on stage. I get your objection, but there wasn't any overemphasis. So you're going to get a lot of negatives. Please continue on the topic starting now.
A meeting of two.
Number 2.
A meeting of two charismatic
that was
To avoid the standard format, it's like beating around the same concept.
of what?
She didn't want, if she had
There are two people, they're charismatic, that's about all we know about them.
Yeah, so again, a meeting of two, she would have said of two charismatic people or two people, again, it would have gone around the same
If
thing.
I said it the third time, it would have been standard.
She hasn't said it for the third time yet, so.
So that's why to avoid
Or
that.
preemptive strike.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to grant you preemptive strikes. So you can continue to talk to us about that starting now.
Chemical reaction.
Number 5,
What reaction?
Chemical.
she said chemical, the mic is not working. Could you please switch on that mic? No, we won't give you no negative marks, but no, you're audible, no worry. We're not missing out a word of what you're saying. So please continue. Caller mics are a pain. Continue starting now.
Elton John.
2,
This was late.
yeah, she was late, I grant you that. So please continue on the topic now.
Elton John was
1.
She was also late.
No, she wasn't late. So let's not start too meh here. So number 2, you can continue about Elton John starting now.
gay marriages were legalized.
3.
What is a gay marriage?
Something
Gay marriage is gay as an adjective for marriage is not qualifying. Should be a union between a consensus between the
You know what? I'll have to give you that. You haven't defined or qualified that.
We have something called the gay weddings, right? As in Europe.
Yeah, but
That's a
it's,
very colloquial way of saying
yeah, it's not yet accepted. It's not even legal, for Pete's sake, in so many places. So I'll have to give you that. And it's not anything to do with being homophobic in case you start jumping up and down. I should ask you that. So, yeah, okay. Huh? No, not giving any special positive. It wasn't all that brilliant. So, you can continue talking to us starting now.
Grammy Award winners.
5,
Grammy Award winners.
you're objecting to what?
Speech defect in first word.
Yes, I'll grant you that. The Grammy was not as clear as it could have been. So, continue talking to us starting now.
Music awards.
2,
Okay, so the first one was the speech. Music. Something.
it sounded right to me. It sounded wrong. It sounded right to me. So, please continue talking to us starting now.
A boy called Eden.
Yep. Yep. Since we started, that was definitely a great shot. So, hope you get off the mark on time, anytime now.
Elton John bumped into Lady Gaga.
Yep, 1.
Change the pace from his first sentence once towards me. But his beginning kind of things he said.
The things he said have come back to haunt him. Yeah, I'll give you that. You are slowing down, Sanjeev. Maybe it's the age catching up with you. So buck up and speak a little faster the next time. So number 1, you can have your go starting now.
When a singer intends
2, what was? It wasn't late. Definitely not. So get off the mark again starting now.
when a singer intends
4. Okay. Persistence pays. No, she was late this time. And I'm straining as hard as I can, so there's no fourth on fire or anything here. So number 4, you can start now.
Eminem.
5.
Statesman.
No, absolutely not. If there were extra negatives, I would give it to you for not giving me the right objection. Okay, so number 4, you can continue starting now.
The meeting was scheduled.
2.
The meeting was joined. The meeting. It was not the meeting. He said the meeting.
It's a way, manner of speech. None of us enunciate as clearly as we should, so I let him go. So you can continue talking now.
Before Lady Gaga released.
3.
He's post-qualifying whatever. What the part of the sentence, what he started with, should come after whatever has been done.
So your exact objection being what?
Post-qualification.
Post-qualification. Yep, I'll have to come to that. That's a good one. Very sharp of you to pick that up. So you can continue talking to us about what's going on starting now.
Lady Gaga asked Elton John.
1. No, not late start. Continue talking to
Do I
us.
just use pronouns for them?
You want to use a pronoun for Lady Gaga
And for Elton John. She and
and for Elton John. She and he. Okay, so she and he, they are starting now.
she asked him to.
5.
He kissed the air before starting. I'm not plagiarizing, he actually did that.
She he's talking about her. Would you find that so unpardonable?
I wish I could.
No, I don't think I'll grant you that speech defect. Not this time. So continue talking to us starting now.
Poke my face.
4. What? Yep. And also I don't want to hear any more about that. So you can take over and talk to us starting now.
In India,
5.
Plagiarism. In India. In India, exact in India was plagiarized from Speaker 1. That's not in the topic. Plagiarized words. That's what they said. Plagiarism of words. Context or
You know, you can plagiarize ideas. You can plagiarize ideas. You can plagiarize places. Also, it's acceptable. Yeah, I'll have to give you that. Especially since India is not even tangentially connected to the subject as far as I'm concerned. So you can continue talking to us starting now.
Section 377 of our government.
3.
Not qualified. What is the section 377 about?
It's known to all. It's a genetic right in John.
I have no idea what it is.
The 376. So your objection being that he hasn't
Post-qualification.
post-qualification.
Assume that we know it, so it just went about.
You know, strictly speaking, you cannot assume that we know it. Did you tell them that? That they could assume that we knew it?
No, it's up to me, it's my discretion.
Yeah, so I will not assume that we know it, I'd rather we didn't. So you can continue not accepting that. So you can continue talking to us starting now.
3 men do not.
5, yep.
Stress on 3.
Yep.
3 men.
Seemed out of context there. Yeah, you ready to talk to us starting now?
Homosexual people are attracted to.
Yeah?
Over a homosexual.
What?
Over the homosexual is it?
Overemphasis. No, there wasn't any overemphasis. Just the right amount of time. So continue talking starting now.
Homosexual people.
3. No, it's not the mic. So he gets the objection. You can't blame it on the mic all the time. You can hold on to that in case you're planning to object. So please continue on the topic starting now.
Different countries.
5.
First part of now. Different. Not different.
It didn't sound that way. It didn't sound that way. No. Pay attention. 3. Continue now.
Different countries have different.
Yep. 5.
Speech defect on second word. Because something or not on second word.
As in what?
Speech defect.
No. Continue starting now.
The jurisdiction pertaining to
2.
Jurisdiction.
Yep, and you use that one. And you choose long words, be careful. So number 2, you can continue talking to us starting now.
People of the same gender believe in
3.
time wasting. She can definitely cut short people of the same gender and say, people of the. There's definitely a way to
Please
shorten.
tell me how exactly you would
There's
say
definitely a
that.
way to shorten it. I'm not sure what it is exactly.
If you're objecting, you need to be able to tell me. Otherwise, I'm not going to accept it. Yeah? Huh? But I'm not going to
If
accept
I say
that.
homosexual, you're going to say it's plagiarism of your idea.
People of the same gender are not homosexual. Please don't get that.
I'm not a doctor. There's
That's
definitely a
gonna
legal term for that.
So, no. You don't get it. You know how to score? Sit down. Yeah, so I'm especially not giving you the objection after that comment. So number 2 will continue starting now.
Elton John fell in.
3. Yep. She knows Elton John well by now. So you can talk to us about him starting now.
Musicians do not.
6. Was it a late start? What it was something else. You can continue talking to us. Are you listening? Continue talking to us starting now.
A chartbuster.
4. Okay. I'm going to give late starts based on what the word employed was. Okay. So please be careful with that. So you can continue talking to us starting now.
Lady Gaga before release.
1.
He inhaled before he spoke. Lady Gaga.
You know what normally does that?
Begin saying
Your objection cannot possibly be that he's breathing in and out.
No, my objection is he inhaled in an unnatural, excessively loud and way too long way.
Did it offend you? Because it wasn't a late start, certainly. There wasn't a speech defect, and let the poor guy breathe. So please take a deep breath and continue talking to us starting now.
Last summer, Lady Gaga was supposed to.
5.
Last what was there was something between the first and second word.
There are no hidden meanings there.
No, the speech
Live
defect
from
on
last summer. I know, but even
No, the speech defect was on the third word, which you didn't hear because you buzzed. So continue talking to us starting now.
Lady Gaga arranged the meeting, you know.
5.
Lady Gaga.
Stop
That
doing
was
that cover.
unclear.
Yeah, yeah. It was actually kind of weird. So I'll give that to you. So continue talking starting now.
She went to the sailor.
3.
To the sailor.
She went to the sailor.
Who's the sailor? She went to sailors is fine. She went to the sailor.
I went to sailors, you think is fine?
No, grammatically not.
I'm glad that's not your objection, or is it?
No, she went to the sailor, where the sailor is not qualified yet.
Defense.
Yeah, defend.
She went to the sailor of Stalingrad, someplace. The place the sailor is called the
She
sailor of
went
something.
to a sailor who
So
was.
how would you have him
That
qualify
is-
it before saying it?
No, she went to a sailor who was the.
That is longer than what I'm saying.
Yeah. You know, you're actually right.
No, one second. I went to the sailor of Stalingrad. There's only one sailor present at Stalingrad.
If
So I
there's one
went to
sailor,
the
he has to qualify who it is.
I'm calling him the sailor of Stalingrad. That is qualification. There is only one sailor in Stalingrad. I'm saying he went to the sailor of
who
Stalingrad.
was. It has to be. He went to a sailor who was the sailor of.
What would you have said again?
That is time wasting. What you're saying.
That is the only way to say it.
No, that is not the only way to say it. If he wants to put forth the premise that there was only one sailor from
That's why I said
Stalingrad
the
and he wants to call him the sailor of Stalingrad, then I can't possibly deny him the opportunity to do so.
If that guy is called the sailor of Stalingrad, nobody of here.
No, he's not called the. There is only one. The sailor of Stalingrad.
Which is factually inconsistent.
That is not his
Then it
objection.
should say
But that was
Stalingrad
not-
sailor.
Yeah, but that is grammatically incorrect. So since that was not your objection, I can't give it to you. If had that been your objection, I would have definitely given it to you. So number 5, you have sailors up your mind. So please continue talking to us starting now.
A boy walking down the road realized the fact.
Yeah, 1.
I missed.
Also,
A boy walking down the road realized that it has nothing to do with Lady Gaga, Elton John, singers, sailors, anything that he has qualified up till now.
listen.
The boy was actually a product of Elton John and Lady Gaga.
I'm not granting you that. I'm absolutely not granting you that. No way. Yes. Let's say psychological impossibility.
No, it actually works. Elton John is the here and Lady Gaga is the writer.
Yes, but I still am not in the mind to grant it to you. So I will take your objections. So please continue starting now.
Nobility is often
3.
Speech here. She caused nobility. Nobility. Said nobility.
You know, the pronunciation was wrong, so I'll give it to you. It wasn't the way it's supposed to be said. That's not what you said, by the way. You didn't say nobility. So he is correct. So continue on the topic starting now.
Musical performance.
2.
First word, musical I heard it as.
No, it was a musical performance. So you can continue talking to us starting now.
Musical performance was.
1.
he made a strange noise before he spoke, which made the his and I said,
Why are you hearing all these strange noises?
They made them! It comes.
You know, he's here. He's a psychiatrist. So is Balaji. So there are 2 of them here. We have a panel here.
You must check.
Did anyone else here hear a strange noise? I'm sorry, maybe I listen more carefully, but I'll have to give you the negatives this time and allow him to continue. And in case I don't hear any more strange noises, I'll refer you to them for sure. So please continue on the topic starting now.
Piano player.
4.
Before starting. Next time.
You know what? That's not the objection I was looking for.
Tell Harry.
Not giving
Tell
it to
Harry
you.
also.
I couldn't actually make out what his first word was. So you can continue talking to us about whatever that was starting now.
Piano player.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4.
It's like I really just.
Fourth time is talking about repetition of the
That's just
idea,
one like
position,
I was
position,
telling
piano,
this.
piano, both.
We bring different musical instruments.
Okay, I'm not going to give it to you this time. No negatives though for him. But I'm not giving you the objection. So you can continue talking to us about musicians and their ilk
And
starting.
he said they,
For whom?
musicians.
You were the one who wanted to bring in different types of musicians in here. So if you're going to say they, then you can't split hairs on them. So I'm not allowing you to say they, which leaves the field open for objections subsequently. So you can continue on the topic starting now.
And 2 people,
5.
Time is swallowed before starting.
Yep,
And 2 people.
I'll give you that. So you can swallow and start now.
A football manufacturing company called Tata.
4.
Deviation from the topic.
Getting somewhere.
Football company called Gaga.
I have only one thing to say to you, pause. Number 5. Continue on the topic starting now.
Raga was very happy about the fact that he did not have
2.
Very happy about the fact. Gesticulation, he doesn't have to lift his eyebrows there. Very happy about the fact.
Are you objecting to the fact that he lifted his eyebrows or?
Yeah.
I'm not giving you that.
Gesticulation, he can't do that on the jam table.
See, there was innuendo there. Happy.
No, you can't do that.
You know what he did was undue emphasis. And that was